Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about to the display the error message at particular field. How we are going to implemented this scenario in the Aura components. So here we have the use case. So user enter the below details like product name and quantity. So when the quantity is the more than 20, they are entered. We are going to display an error message. Quantity cannot exceed more than 20. And we have to apply the CSS to the this error message. We can display the with red color. So how we are going to implement it in the Aura component? We have to check it to the step by step. So come to the developer console. So here, so come to the here. Come to the here, we are going to take by the lightning component. So quantity error message component name. Click on the page. So we need to enter by the product name and the quantity. That's why here I am taking the two attributes. Aura attribute type equals to string name equals to product name, and we are going to take it by the attribute type equals to integer. We are given to the quantity, that's why taking to the integer quantity. So here we are going to take the lightning card, product details, so UI. So here input text value equals to v dot product name label, enter product name UI input number value equals to. So here I need to accept by the only numbers, do not accept by the text. That's why here taking the input number. Quantity label equals to quantity we are giving. So input text, it is accepted by the string data type product name, and input number only accept by the numbers only, do not accept by the text here. That's why here we are taking the input number. Then we have to take the one button, lightning button variant brand label equals to submit, on click equals to c dot submit. So save. So in the submit, we are going to validating the quantity is the more than 20 or not. Come to the controller, submit CMP. So here we are going to validating to the quantity. So we quantity CMP dot get of quantity. If we quantity greater than 20. So we need to set it by the message, error message. So cannot exceed by the more than 20. So here we are taking the another attribute, type equals to string name equals to quantity error message. So default we are giving to the quantity cannot exceed more than 20. So we are mentioned by the default value as well to the here, closing the tag. So below 20 we no need to display this message. That's why here we are taking the one more attribute for the Aura boolean property. Name equals to display error. So by default it is the false. Now come to the here. If it is more than 20, we are going to make it as a true. CMP dot set of v dot true. So by default we are going to make it as a false. So initially we are doing the false. Once condition is satisfied, we are make it as a true. So now come to the here. We have to display the error message at particular field. So here we are taking to the v dot quantity error message. So save. Now we have to display when it is the true only. So Aura, if is true, this is conditionally rendering the data. So v dot display error. So on page loading time, initially not appear by the any error message. When it is satisfy the condition, we are make it as a true, right? So then it will be the appear. So this is the functionality how we are going to display the error message at a particular field level. So this is the particular field level, right? We are going to displaying the error message. Now we can see the output. Already I created the one app builder for the error messages. Now we are going to adding into the in this page. Click on edit page. So quantity, drag and drop to the here. Click on save. Click on back to the page. Here I am going to give by the product name something like HP. Here quantity giving to the 20. Sorry, more than 20, right? 25. Click on submit. See here, quantity cannot exceed more than 20. So now here we have to display this is the red color and this submit button we need to go to the next line. So that's why here I'm giving to the break. So save, we are giving the break. So first we have to observe it is come to the next line or not. So refresh the page. So here giving to the HP and here 25. See here, it is displaying at the particular field. It is displaying the error message at a particular field now. So now we want to display by this message as a red color with the error message, right? So here we are going to make it as a error, this one. And how to apply it by the CSS? So come to the here, click on to the style. So once again, double click onto the style. So it's created. So here dot error message, here giving to the color of the red. So here we are going to color red, and we want to give it by the bold also. So this font weight bold. So now save this, come to the here. Here we are going to apply to the our color code to this. So div tag. So class equals to what is defined, our class name is the error message. So now come to the here, this is the div tag closing. So this is the ending of the div tag, this is the closing of the div tag. Okay, so now here we are going to check it now how it is works to the here. So just I'm going to save this. Come to the here, refresh the page. Giving the HP, giving the 25, click on submit. So now we have to observe before it is displayed by the normal black color. Now it is displayed by the with the red color, and it is the bold. Compared to this is, you have to observe this is the bold value. If I am removing this, you have to observe normal color will be the means normal font will be the appear. So here I'm hide to the this. I'm removing this first. Okay, so save, refresh the page. So now here I am giving to the product name and quantity. See here, earlier and now is the font color, font weight is the changed. Font weight is the changed. So depends upon the requirement, we are going to give it to the font weight also. So like this, we can display the error message at particular field level, and how we are apply the CSS also we have seen, right? So like this, we are going to implement it by the real-time scenarios. So depends upon to the requirement. So hopefully it's clear to the how we are implemented by the error message at particular field level, and how we are applied the CSS file also. So thank you guys. Stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you.